Muthenya wa rucio ikihanda wega thaa 8:30 maitho mothe magakorwo marorereirio bunge-ini ya Senate kuona niguo mutaratara wa kuhagura munini wa speaker wa bunge no Kithure Kindiki ugakorwo gitemanio wariririo na thutha mutheri senators megire na mweke wa guikia kura kunyita mbaru kana kuregana na mutaratara uyu.
Stand against dictatorship.
Mutaratara wa kuhagura Kindiki wendekithitio ni muhuri musharisha bunge-ini no Irungu Kang'ata uria ugite ni mehariirie na njira ciothe gutigira ati ni mamuhagura guku akiuga ona thengia wa gukorwo ari gituro-ini kiu ndakoretwo na wigirereki wira-ini wake.
We need to tell Kenyans that the deputy speaker was among those people who refused to attend the parliamentary group meeting at State House.
Kurafatarania senators 45 gatagati ga senators 67 kuagura Kindiki na kwa ihinda riri senators 48 nio marikitie gwikira kirore kuagurwo gwake gukirikana giturwa giki kiota gukaiyukio ni senator wa county ya Uasin Gishu Margaret Kamar.
Kama mbaya
Kurigana na munini wa muikariri gite wa kiama kia Jubilee David Murathe, Kindiki ndakerisha kuhagurwa kiuga uyu warika rucamio rugukorwo rukerekerio senators ari othe mang'athirie mucemanio uyu wa president.
Mutute gutemwo ndunagio ithanwa ne tukauteme nuthu ucoke utige ati wambe huruke tondu wahota kutiga hoke ruhuho mutu ucio ukugwire ukurage na tungithie disciplinary kuringana na kiama gitu eja na there's nothing personal hatire kaundu personal ni kuuria atiriri munene wa bururi no athie oige uu niguo ndirenda na Nairobi nigetha ndeithia andu a Nairobi we nawe uthie haria urehe motion ya kuvinga
idaini uriu Murathe ni augite mihango ya gutheria nyumba ya Jubilee no iguthie na mbere mihango ya kuheria bunge ya moiturwa-ini cia utongoria wa bunge ikiambiriria ica ikuhi
aria turorete tukona matira twarana na uria munene arenda no makatweheri au hatiri no rutanganja
nayo ndeto igie muhuhu wa mubango wa kuhagura Ruto
gutiri na mundu ina bata na kumuhagura no ehangurire we mwenyewe. Heka rwimbo kainirwo ni John Dichui etagwo gicambanio gia Gatanga harakoiga atiriri ena kiha kiingi muno ni undu wa mwiritu mendanite wetagwo Mĩrũ Waithĩra itwacokire tugitigana iria we mwene eciririe no tutigane yani mutumia niwe weciririe no meke atia andu matoire matiganaga ni waririkana akau ni ndiuka ndimuinire Uko uwo mundu agitua ni enda guthie ri mutumia wenda guthie ri ni akuonagia aba ukuonia matharau nema wetu urenda kumuingata in fact muiko wigaga mutumia ndahura gwa kingatagu ahura wa icokagio na ki na mucii no agikire mari na ni atuite ni enda guthie ri ugika atia
maya mokete riria mweyarumireria munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto mukirire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta makiuga ni akoretwo akihuthira githuri guku makiuga kuri na mubango wa gukungia riboti ya BBI kugerera bunge.
And because of the economic situation we are in, people who think that they own this country have concluded that they cannot hold a referendum. I have my chairman of budget committee here, we can confirm. Honorable Mushiri, Honorable Florence Bole, we are in budget committee because we don't have the money for the referendum. We are even trying to get money for very basic needs. So having realized that, they have decided now that they will bring these BBI changes to Parliament. But before they do that, they have to shoot us from the Air Force, from the air, up there. So all the intimidation, the removal of Murkomen, the removal of Susan Kihika, removal of Professor Kindiki, it's all geared to intimidate members so that when that report comes to this house, people can vote a certain way.
Tugo mara yugiria te Uhuru ne dictator. Ona ne ikare agite. Uyu bururi ukwenda a benevolent dictator. Ereda mundu ta Kagame kana Museveni. No majua na ke hatari kahi.
Gukinyeria riu amwe atongoria aria makoretwo mwaho-ini wa Tangatanga ni mabetie kweyeheria mwaho-ini uyu magitigira kugwirwo na ithano na muno makiria thutha wa atongoria Jubilee kwarukira aria makoretwo magikararia thirikari.
Gutiri thirikari mugo nayo ko marecirie no thirikari ni mugo mari nimekuona